All right, last experiment of the day. We got the whites of 2 grade A large eggs. So we're going to run that through for a minute and do a taste test. All right. Okay, so let's head to the microwave. Put a dish in there this time because 2 may well run that bowl over. Got to be careful. And there she blows, starting to rise. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like it's well above, way above the top of the bowl. And somehow it must be cooking, solidifying slightly because it doesn't seem to be running out yet. But you can see it. And, you know, we got less than half of the time allotted to go. Can't wait to see how this, the texture of this turns out. 1 egg white in a bowl that size for 1 minute, just a little bit long because it kind of got tough a little. Okay, so here we go. Okay, on our way back down. Youch, youch, youch. Woo! Okay. Find out what our texture is looking like now. Oh, perfectly done in 1 minute. Oh. Perfect texture. And it's really good. Okay, spice it up a little bit there. Oh yeah, really good. Feels just exactly like it ought to feel. Looks really good too. So I'm thinking that's the perfect time. All right. Success at last. Two egg whites, 1 minute at high in a 1200 watt machine. Perfect. All right, goodbye.